Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Changing your name in Valorant is a great way to redefine your gaming persona and stand out on the battlefield. In this video, I'll show you how to change your name in Valorant. Let's go. Your name in Valorant is also known as your Riot ID, which consists of a game name and a tagline. For example, if your Riot ID is Jigxor #000, then your game name is Jigxor and your tagline is #000. To change your Riot ID, you need to follow these steps. Log into your Riot account from your browser on account.riotgames.com. Alternatively, you can access your account in Riot Client. You just have to go to your profile and tap Account Details to redirect you to the site. In the Riot ID settings, enter your new name in the game name text box and your tagline in the provided field respectively. Then confirm by clicking on Save Changes. You can change your Riot ID for free once every 90 days. Since I recently changed my Riot ID, I have to wait for another 90 days before I can change it again, as it is the policy set by the platform. Please also note that your Riot ID will change across all Riot games, including League of Legends, Teamfight Tactics, and Legends of Runeterra. Your Riot ID cannot be offensive or inappropriate, so is your tagline. Your Riot ID does not have to be unique, but your game name and tagline combination must be unique. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.